candles, preparing the way for baby Jesus to come on Christmas Day.
COVID can't keep us back or hold us down for the one who reigns and wears the crown.
Clean, sanitize, sanitize, clean. The church is safe thanks to cleaning teams.
Signup Genius will save the day by reserving your place in a pew that day.
It's easy to do on the parish website. Just click the button and you're in, all right?
So please come and celebrate this special babe, for our Savior is born on Christmas Day.
Hi, I'm Dee.
And I'm Mary Ellen.
Coming to you from St. Alphonsus Rodriguez Church in Woodstock, Maryland.
We're here to talk to you today about the upcoming season. We are socially distanced, so we're going to remove our masks so that you can understand what it is that we're saying today.
We join our parish youth in inviting you to join us for Mass this Christmas.
There is so much that COVID-19 has impacted in our daily lives and practices. So much we need to accommodate to keep ourselves and others safe.
We wanted to assure you that at St. Alphonsus Rodriguez, we're taking every precaution to allow folks to gather to worship while keeping everyone safe.
The pews in the church are marked off to assure proper social distancing.
The church is sanitized after every Mass.
Ushers check folks in and escort them to their seats, and they help keep social distancing for the communion procession and recessional.
Everyone must wear a mask in church and while on church property.
Receiving communion is also done in a way that protects both the minister and the communicant.
Christmas Eve Masses are 2, 4, 7, and midnight. Christmas Day Mass will be at 10 o'clock. In order to reserve a spot at the Mass you plan to attend, all you have to do is register. Go to the parish website, stalchurch.org.
Scrolling across the top, you will see the notice, Christmas Mass Schedule. Sign up for the Christmas Mass by clicking here.
Click there for the link and follow the directions.
Scroll down for the Mass time you wish to attend.
Please indicate who will attend by signing up as a single individual, a couple, or 2 people living in the same house, or families of 3 or more people living in the same house.
Enter the names of those attending in the comment section, but do not change the quantity. The quantity indicates the number of spots, so if you are signing up as a couple, you only need 1 couple's spot.
Spots all filled for families? No problem. Just sign up as a couple or individual and indicate the number attending.
If you have any problems, just call the parish office and we will help you through it.
We're looking forward to celebrating with you.
See you at Christmas.